A very good morning, students. Today's our new topic is relaxation technique for improving concentration. This is known as Yoga Nidra. What are the stages of Yoga Nidra? Number one, preparation. You have to prepare for Yoga Nidra after doing vigorous training for hours together. Like you have practiced 3 hours in the morning. After that, or you have done weight training, lot of strenuous exercise, or played your game. Later on, you should go for Yoga Nidra. That is a relaxation technique of all muscular group and body. First preparation is lie down, back lying. आप सो जाओ. Then complete in Savasana position. That is Savasana. Then there should not be any muscle group contraction. Relax everything. After that, intention. What is your sankalp? You have to think that whatever you are doing, I'll be doing for my health, and I'll be ever happy and cheerful. This kind of sankalp you have to take. And most important in Yoga Nidra is body rotation. Body rotation is related with the after lying down, keep your eyes closed, and on instructor's command that bring your mind in between your both eyes on your forehead. Then everybody should concentrate there and relax your forehead. Then relax your face, relax your mouth, then neck. Then go to the right side. Your right shoulder relax, then your upper arm of right hand, then forearm, then fingers and palm relaxes, and slowly transfer your mind towards the left side. Your left shoulder relax, elbow joint relax, upper arm muscle relax. Like this, instructor will be giving command, and according to that your mind will be transferring on that particular position. Suppose I say your left hand elbow relax, relax, relax. You are on left hand elbow. Your mind is on left hand elbow. Your forearm relax, relax. Then your wrist joint, your fingers, all those will be relaxed. Then come back to the neck and center body. Your chest muscles relax. Your abdomen cavity, your hip joint, right hand side. Then your right thigh, then right knee, your gastrocnemius muscle or calf muscle, then your ankle joint, your toes, fingers relax. Then transfer your mind towards the left hip joint. Likewise relax up to the toes. And this continuous commentary will be given by the instructor, and you will be moving according to that. Whole body relaxes. Breath awareness, next point. That is, during this period your normal breathing should be there. You should not pay your attention towards the hard breath or slow breath. Natural breath should keep on going. Opposite feeling or sensation means wherever you are feeling the different sensations as per the command, your mind is transferring from one muscle group to another muscle group, one joint to another joint. That time what kind of sensation you are feeling there? You are enjoyable sensation, or you are feeling some kind of pain or stiffness, that complete relax. This kind of feeling also you should keep on observing. Then comes visualization. Visualization is mental relaxation. All disturbing materials in your mind that should be removed and feel comfortable. And last point is return or finishing the practice. Last point, this is also important, like third one. When your state of Yoga Nidra, you are almost in sleeping mood, that time all of a sudden don't stand up. That will give negative effect. So as per the instructor's command only, when he says that move your left hand's fingers, little bit move your fingers, move your leg fingers, move your one leg, right leg, left leg, move your right hand, left hand, like this, slowly body movements. And now gently open your eyes, slightly you have to open your eyes, and later on again keep moving with open eyes, and then slowly sit down. Like this, you have to come to the normal position. This practice under the command of your coach is known as Yog Nindra, a great relaxation technique. We sportsmen, when I was in the team and all, we used to do regularly this Yog Nindra. This is the best technique of relaxation. Thank you. Have a healthy day.